Hi, my name is Dana and I'm a builder specialist with Logan Homes. I'm very excited to welcome you to our newest Logan townhome neighborhood, Lakeside Towns in St. James Plantation. St. James Plantation offers a wide variety of amenities, including 81 holes of golf, tennis, a marina, private beach club, miles of biking and walking trails, pools, and much, much more. Lakeside Towns will feature our 2 townhome floor plans, the seagrass and the tidewater. These homes are 18 to 1900 square feet with the option to build a bonus room above the garage. They're both open floor concepts with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on your bottom floor and a 2-car garage. You have the opportunity to personalize these plans by visiting our design studio just 20 minutes away. If you would like more information about this maintenance-free neighborhood, Lakeside Towns in St. James Plantation, please visit us on our website at loganhomes.com.